Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Honor. First of all, you need to locate Clock app. When you find it, click on it. Then choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon to add your own. Now you need to set up an hour and click on repeat. Then tap on days of the week that you wish to set up and save them by tapping on OK. Now you can click on label. Label your alarm however you wish to. If you wish to, click on OK and tap on ring duration. Now select how many minutes your alarm will ring. I will go with 15. You can also click on snooze duration and adjust how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Choose OK and click on sound. Now you need to choose allow in this pop-up and click on one of those melodies to set up the best one for you. I will go with Creek. When you're ready, just go back. You can also click on sound, tap on music on device instead, and tap on one of those songs from your smartphone. I will go with that one. If you wish to, you can always click on vibration as well. Tap on one of those vibration patterns or disable this feature completely by selecting none. Then go back and save your alarm by tapping on this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to switch it off completely, tap on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Then, in order to edit it, tap on it, make your changes and click on the check mark again. You can delete it by tapping on it again, but this time selecting delete section and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!